Why someone did something is none of my concern. Other people's actions have nothing to do with me, nor should I question them. If you think, you know. The only kindness and grace that matters is that which I give myself. I am not afraid to try new things. If being myself agitates others, that is not my problem. I am no longer emotionally available to react to other people's actions. My new reaction is no reaction at all. Losing is a part of life. Just because you lose doesn't mean you aren't great. You've won just by merely accepting the challenge. Anything I have lost was not meant for me, and it is being replaced with things that are. Change is something we cannot avoid. Life changes every second. Ill words or negative statements from others affects and reflects who they are, not me. Fake love is still love, and that's okay. Conflicts can be resolved without confrontation. Being honest with myself is more beneficial to me than anything. Forgive yourself as easily as you forgive others. There are no mistakes, only learning experiences. I only torture myself by reliving bad past experiences. My thoughts and ideas are valuable. I have the power to create peace within. No matter how bad things get, it's always something in it for you. See the good in everything, even if it's something bad. Your strength is in your ability to see things for what they are and accept them.